What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is showing how I do my top knot bun, and I pretty much just use water, soft bristle brush, my Eco Styler gel, and these are actually very durable rubber bands. So I don't use a headband, I use rubber bands to keep it in place. I also use these for my puff. So I start off with freshly washed hair. It's completely detangled, and I'm just spraying my perimeter with water, and I'm taking my Denman brush to like comb my hair forward, because the purpose of the bun is to sit it on the very top of your head, which is difficult with thick hair. But the key is to make sure that the middle of your hair is completely detangled and not bulky. So I'm just combing all of my hair forward, and like I said, it was previously detangled, so I'm not snagging or anything. And now I'm just gonna apply a significant amount of my Eco Styler gel in the front and completely around the perimeter, and I'm gonna keep raking it forward. And it's best to do this while your head is down, so gravity can work on your side. And now I'm just kind of taming my hairs with the soft bristle brush and keeping my hair up in the air and trying not to let go of it. And next, I'm about to take my rubber band that I doubled up. I have about 2 rubber bands, and I doubled them up so I won't have to keep going around and around. And this is how it looks. It actually look cute like that. I was thinking about just leaving it like that, but nah. Now I'm pretty much about to comb out my ends with my Denman brush, so it won't be fluffy pieces and curly pieces. I'm just gonna work with the fluffier. So I'm combing out my curls, and my hair looks dry, but it's actually not dry. It's kind of damp at this point. And I'm taking the ends and just lightly wrapping them, and even taking my soft bristle brush and using it to comb out my ends and wrapping it around the bun until I'm satisfied. And as I go, I'm pretty much tapping the bun to make it just a little bit thinner, and even pulling up some pieces at the top to make it taller. And now I'm just about to perfect my baby hairs. I'm actually not satisfied with how I did my baby hairs in this video, but I do have another video where I go into depth with how I do my baby hairs. So I'm just gonna speed this up right now, and you guys can go check out the other video if you want to see how I do my baby hairs. Alright, now that that's over, I'm just gonna tweak away at my bun, and I'm gonna slick the back of my hair up with the brush. I kind of dip the brush in my Eco Styler so I can smooth out things in the back. And now I'm going to take my silk scarf, wrap it around, and I think I let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, just to set things in place. So this depends on how wet your hair is. A little ratchet move. And I will see you guys in a minute. And we're back. Put on a little jewelry. I didn't feel the makeup today, so you know. Here is the end result. Like I said, I did not like my edges, but it's okay because I wasn't doing much that day anyway. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. I'm a hair away from 7K, so thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I will see you in my next video.